the Notorious KIA. Welcome back to my channel. So I asked you guys on the community tab here on YouTube, what part of wash day do you dread? And the vast majority of you guys said what? Detangling. Like, I feel you, like I dread it too. It takes the most amount of time and it also causes the most stress on my hair. I feel like we're always searching for better ways to detangle our hair that will not only cut down on time but also ways that are gentler but still effective. And I feel like I might have found that solution for you guys. For this video I teamed up with Devacurl to promote their new Wash Day Wonder Pre-Cleanse Slip Detangler, and we're gonna put this baby to the test. Right off the bat, I just love that this doesn't have any silicones in it, which is a plus. So it is possible to have something with tons of slip that doesn't have any silicones in it. My hair is about 2 weeks old, so she's dirty and she's tangled. So we're really gonna put this thing to the test. It typically takes me about 45 minutes to detangle my hair. So for today, I'm aiming for under 20. Yeah, a bit aggressive, but for 2018, we going hard. We going hard, baby. So yeah, guys, without further ado, let's hop right into this video. Okay, so enough blabbing. As always, I start by sectioning my hair off into 4 sections, and then I turn each section into 3 twists. These are the sections that I typically do while I'm in the shower already, but it's just a lot easier to do it before you start detangling because it just makes the process a whole lot more seamless. Now it's time to start detangling. I first start by taking one section and completely drench it in water. And then I take 1 twist to work with and clip everything else out of the way. And if I need to add more water, I do at this point. Next, I'm gonna take the Wash Day Wonder and add that to the section. I'm really gonna work it in. And just right off the bat, I'm just loving this slip. It just, the tangles are like melting away. It's like crazy. I don't know what type of sorcery they have in this bottle, but it's insane because the back sections are usually the most tangled because that's where I sweat a lot and it rubs against, you know, my scarves in the winter and my clothes and stuff like that. So I really have a lot of tangles back there and like it's literally melting away. Like it's unbelievable. Once I'm done with the section, I then twist it and then move on to the next section and repeat the same steps. As mentioned, Wash Day Wonder is a pre-cleanse slip detangler. It has quality ingredients. There's no silicone whatsoever, which is a plus for me. I know there's a lot of natural girls out there who just don't rock with silicone, and I feel you, girl. So a few key ingredients that it contains is Prakashi oil, which detangles, conditions, and adds shine. It also has a natural sugar-based technology, which helps prevent breakage. And lastly, it has saffron flour, which increases suppleness and shine. So what I really think is unique about the Wash Day Wonder is it's formulated to work with your cleanser. So you don't rinse it out. In fact, you just take your cleanser and add it to the Wash Day Wonder and work it in that way. So once I'm done, you know, adding the Wash Day Wonder and detangling each section, I then unravel each twist and add my cleanser. Today I'm using the No Poo by Devacurl, which is phenomenal, by the way. If you guys haven't checked that out, you seriously need to get your life. And I just work it in and I just notice how, you know, just silky and just smooth my hair feels like initially. Usually when you go into the cleansing process, even if it's sulfate free or a cleansing conditioner, you start to notice a little bit of like dryness, and I don't notice that whatsoever, and I definitely would attribute that to the Wash Day Wonder. Once you're done cleansing, you're just gonna make sure you thoroughly wash the Wash Day Wonder out along with your cleanser as well, and then move on to conditioning. So after it was all said and done, it took me 20 minutes to detangle my hair and cleanse my hair as well. Like, that's crazy. So I pretty much cut my detangling time in half and eliminated the 5 to 10 minutes that it takes me to cleanse my hair. Like, that's crazy and unheard of. I definitely would attribute the majority of it to the Wash Day Wonder. Like, the slip is insane. You guys definitely have to check it out. But also what I did differently this time is I didn't try to completely detangle my hair initially. I probably detangled it about 80% of the way because I know that when I condition and when I style, I do a little bit of detangling then too. So, you know, it cuts down time when you detangle a little in the beginning and just gradually get it to just when it's fully detangled. So definitely think about that if you guys are struggling with your detangling. Try not to do it all at once. It's a little overwhelming. You'll get tired and then next thing you know, you're ripping your hair out. Try to like spread it out. Like do the majority majority of it initially, but then like spread it out between like conditioning and styling. Definitely see if that works for you. So once I'm done detangling and cleansing my hair, I then move on to conditioning. Today I'll be using the One Condition by Devacurl. I just add that into each section, massage it in for a few minutes, and then rinse that out, and then I move on to styling. In total, it took me 35 minutes to detangle, cleanse, and condition my hair. Keep in mind that I didn't deep condition. If I deep conditioned, I would add probably an additional 20 minutes to that, but I'm well on my way to a 1-hour wash day, and I'm here for it. Like, I'm ecstatic, over the moon at this point. So that completes this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. For styling, of course, I went with my signature fro. If you guys haven't checked out that video, you can do so right here. So yeah, I definitely would recommend the Wash Day Wonder. It's quick, effective, has tons of slip, and I definitely noticed less breakage, which is key. Make sure you guys check out the description box. I will make sure I leave a link to where you can purchase, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until next time, peace and dopeness.